Welcome to our guide on passive income, a pathway to financial freedom and security. Imagine earning money while you sleep or travel, or simply enjoy your life. This isn't just a dream, but a reality for many who understand and harness the power of passive income. So, what exactly is passive income? It's earnings derived with minimal effort, continuously flowing in without constant attention. It's the key to unlocking financial independence. Picture this: consistent income streams that demand little to no ongoing work. Let's dive into the core characteristics of passive income. First, minimal effort. Once set up, these income streams run on autopilot. Second, consistency, providing a regular flow of cash. Lastly, the ultimate goal: financial freedom, a state where your income covers your lifestyle. But how do you achieve this? Let's explore the various types of passive income. First up, rental income. Consider owning rental properties or even renting out equipment like cars or tools. Then there's investment income. This includes dividends from stocks, interest from savings, and investing in real estate investment trusts, which let you benefit from real estate. Next, intellectual property can be a gold mine. Earn royalties from creative works like books or music, or license patents and trademarks. Online businesses offer diverse opportunities too. E-commerce, digital products, affiliate marketing, blogging, and vlogging, each with its unique pathway to income. Don't forget peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Prosper or Lending Club allow you to lend money and earn interest. Now, how can you start building your passive income? Begin small. Take manageable steps and gradually expand. Diversify your sources. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, and importantly, educate yourself. In conclusion, passive income is not just a financial strategy, but a lifestyle choice. It's about creating a financial safety net that allows you to focus on what truly matters in life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone ready to embark on their journey to financial freedom. See you in the next video.